Hello friends and welcome to the beautiful island of Crete in Greece. In this video, we will get to know the wonderful 5-star beachfront resort Iberostar Selection Crete Marine in all its glory at Easter 2025. Sit back and enjoy the detailed video about this wonderful holiday destination. The Crete Marine Resort has been completely renovated and is located approximately in the middle of the island on the north coast of Crete. The nearest large town is Rethymno, which is about 15 kilometers away. The Crete Marine Hotel and its sister hotel, Crete Panorama and Mare, are located right next to each other and share some facilities. Unfortunately, the Crete Panorama and Mare was closed for renovations at Easter 2025. In the main building are located the reception, the buffet restaurant, a bar, several shops, the indoor swimming pool, the spa area, and the fitness room. There are also lounge areas and plenty of rooms. The entire complex was built with a slight slope from the main building directly onto the coast. The complex consists of the main building and several other residential buildings and pools, surrounded by a beautiful garden. The rooms are located either in the main building or in the many smaller residential buildings spread throughout the complex. There are also beachfront buildings with their own pools. The rooms are all renovated, air-conditioned, and functionally furnished. The resort's garden is beautifully landscaped and blooms in full bloom as early as Easter. The many mature trees provide plenty of shade and tempt visitors to take long walks. There are many pools in the resort, so there's plenty of water fun to be had. The main pool is saltwater, while the others are freshwater. Towels are available free of charge at the main pool. Daily entertainment also takes place at the main pool. The beautiful beaches are located in several bays that are almost close to the sea. This makes the water very calm and very warm. The beaches range from sandy to slightly rocky. It's a lot of fun to swim and relax there. Those interested in water sports can take advantage of the water sports rental service located there. There are several restaurants and bars at Creta Marine. The main restaurant is a buffet restaurant with a great selection for all ages. The other three restaurants are a la carte restaurant located by the main pool or in the bay, and offer a variety of dishes, but we didn't get to visit them. There are 2 bars near the beaches and 1 bar by the main pool. There is also a bar near the lobby, where events were held in the evenings. In the summer, These events take place in the theater, which was still closed during Easter. There was either live music or DJ performances in the lobby bar almost every day. The resort is located in such a way that you can watch beautiful sunsets by the pool or at sea in the evenings. These are incredibly beautiful moments to experience there every evening.
Whoa!
Friends, if you like the video, give us a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our other adventures. We hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to seeing you in the next one. See you soon. Your Jack.